Did you know that a single molecule's journey from lab to medicine cabinet takes an average of 12 to 15 years and costs billions of dollars? And for most diseases, that pipeline fails more than it succeeds. But here's the twist. What if I told you that AI is rewriting the rules? Faster cures, cheaper treatments, and unheard of life-saving possibilities. All thanks to artificial intelligence in bioinformatics. This isn't the future, it's happening now. So today, we are peeling back the curtain on exactly how AI is revolutionizing drug discovery. Trust me, you are going to want to see this. Welcome back to the channel, Bioinformatics Enthusiasts. Curious about today's topic? Unbelievable transformation taking place in bioinformatics thanks to AI. From predicting protein structures to designing entirely new drugs faster than ever before. This is an area so innovative, it feels like humanity has unlocked a cheat code for tackling disease. But before we dive in, here is a quick challenge for you. Drop in the comments, what disease do you think will be cured first using AI-driven technologies? Let's get the discussion going, and who knows, you might just spark ideas for our next deep dive. Alright, let's unpack how AI is shaking the foundation of traditional drug discovery. To understand just how groundbreaking AI is, we first need to talk about the old school process of drug discovery. It's long, expensive, and well, it's inefficient. On average, it takes 12 to 15 years for a drug to move from concept to the pharmacy shelf. And guess what? It costs between 1 billion to 2.6 billion per drug. Here is why. So first of all, firstly, the problem is target identification. Means finding the right biological target for a drug like a specific protein linked to a disease. Think of this as the foundation of the house. It's wrong, the whole structure collapses. Next hurdle was drug candidate. Researchers test tens of thousands, sometimes millions of chemical compounds to identify hits that bind to the target. Imagine hunting for a needle in a haystack, but the haystack is the size of the Mount Everest. Next one is preclinical and clinical trials. For every 5,000 compounds you test, only one drug crosses the finish line. That's because during animal and human trials, these drugs might turn out to be ineffective or worse and unsafe. The result? Many potentially life-saving drugs never make it because the process takes too long or costs too much. And here is where AI steps in. This is where AI transforms the game. Let me walk you through exactly what AI is attacking each bottleneck in this process. AI is helping us make faster and more accurate discoveries about disease mechanisms. The first one is smarter target identification. AI is helping us make faster and more accurate discoveries about disease mechanisms. Machine learning algorithms analyze massive datasets. Think genome sequences, proteomics, and transcriptomics to identify the best targets for therapy. For example, using bioinformatics platforms, scientists can predict how certain genetic mutations translate into diseases. Companies like Deep Genomics are already leveraging AI to decode genetic causes of diseases and suggest new therapeutic targets. Now the fun part is, AI-based tools have even begun uncovering disease targets for illnesses we still don't fully understand, like Alzheimer's disease. The next part is virtual compound screening. Screening millions of compounds in a lab would take years, but with AI, it's like fast-forwarding through trial and error. In silico, drug trials let AI predict how different molecules will interact with the target. This is called virtual screening, and it is one of the most life-changing upgrades in pharmaceutical science. Platforms like Atomwise use deep learning algorithms to screen billions of compounds in just days. Next important one is generative AI for drug design. Okay, this is where things go from cool to mind-blowing. Instead of just screening existing molecules, AI is creating entirely new ones from scratch. Using algorithms like GANs or tools like those developed by in silico medicine, AI models design molecules optimized for safety, effectiveness, and bioavailability. Think about this for a second. AI isn't just finding the best existing keys for the lock, it's forging brand new keys with perfect precision. It's like having an AI artist design you a dream solution for any disease. The most crucial one, the faster clinical trials. AI doesn't just stop in the lab, it's even optimizing clinical trials by analyzing real-world problems. The most crucial one, faster clinical trials. AI doesn't just stop in the lab, it's even optimizing clinical trials. By analyzing real-world patient data, AI predicts which trial design will yield the best results. reducing dropout rates and ensuring faster outcomes. Precision medicine is within reach where treatments are tailored to your unique genetic and biological profile, all thanks to AI-driven bioinformatics pipelines. Let's get real. These aren't just concepts, they are happening now. Look at AlphaFold. DeepMind's AlphaFold solved one of biology's longest standing mysteries, the prediction of 3D protein structures. With this groundbreaking AI technology, we now have accurate structures of over 200 million proteins, paving the way for accelerated drug discovery. Have you heard about Exscientia? This AI-driven platform delivered a drug candidate for obsessive-compulsive disorder to clinical trials in just 12 months. That's 5 times faster than traditional methods. Next, Moderna and COVID-19 vaccines. AI was instrumental in Moderna's record-breaking development of a COVID-19 vaccine. By analyzing viral genome data in hours, AI helped scientists design a vaccine much faster than traditional methods could. AI was instrumental in Moderna's record-breaking development of a COVID-19 vaccine. By analyzing viral genome data in hours, AI helps scientists design a vaccine much faster than traditional methods could. Of course, no technology is perfect, like any tool. AI has its challenges. We are talking about biases in training data, regulatory hurdles, and the need for ultra-high quality data sets. But here is a silver lining. Every challenge is an opportunity for innovation. The question isn't if AI will dominate drug discovery, but how far it can take us. In the near future, we might see AI-tailored drugs to specific genetic profiles or even design personalized therapies you can pick up within days.